Hello, welcome to Fairfax County Public Libraries. My name is Vijaya Golamudi. I work at the Richard Byrd Community Library. Today, I will be showing you how to make a mask using a sock. It's very simple. You don't need anything, a sewing machine or a needle or anything. The only thing you require is a socks, a piece of paper, you can use any bounty paper, and a pair of scissors. Now what you do is you take the socks and make sure it is straight and try to cut it at one end of it and turn around and cut the other end, so that way we will have a rectangle shape. So the socks is in the shape of a rectangle right now. So make sure that your hand is going inside. So now, then what you do is, to your bottom side, try to put a finger and try to cut about a 3/4 of an inch. Okay, 3/4 of an inch, and both the sides has to be equal. So just put a finger here again and try to cut about 3/4, not more than that. Okay, so you see, this is how it shows. Now go ahead and put the flat cut side to the bottom and spread it and turn it around and spread it nicely so that it's nice in perfect shape, as if you have just ironed with an electric iron. So now you take a piece of paper or a bounty towel and try to put it inside this hollow space of the socks. Okay, and this gives a interface layer for the mask. So the paper towel is used as an interface. And now you're going to lift these two pieces, what you have cut. You can adjust the paper according to your sock size. Some socks are big, some socks are small. So you can use it according to the socks availability, the shape and size of available at home. So now go ahead and place this one, and let's make sure that it sits very well, comfortably in this hollow space. Yeah. See, it's nicely sitting comfortably on this hollow space. And now what you do is, remember, we cut these two pieces. This is how it is. And you're going to take these two and put it around your face and put it around the ear. So it sits nicely, covers the nose and the mouth. You can test it with a candle. I have a candle here. I'm going to blow it out and show you. That's it. It's very simple and easy, and you can make the mask wherever you want and take it wherever you want. Thank you for watching this video, and please see the program when it is aired on our Fairfax County public events. Thank you.